We are here on this 30 square metre porcelain patio that's been laid, and we've used the Joint-It Porcelain Epoxy Grout between the joints, grey in colour. And what we discovered the following morning is some of the joints have turned white. So we went back to the R&D department within Joint-It to try and identify what has turned the Joint-It Porcelain Epoxy Grout white. And after months of research and investigation, Joint-It have came up with the fact that the PM10 levels that's in the air, which is a form of pollution, is driven to the ground by rain, and it did make rain shortly after we applied the Joint-It Porcelain Epoxy Grout here on this patio. So what the company has done, the chemist within Joint-It has done, is that we've reformulated the Grout Haze Remover to remove the whitening from the joint here on the Joint-It Porcelain Epoxy Grout. And we are going to do a small demonstration now for you, outlining how easy it is to remove the white from the Joint-It Porcelain Epoxy Grout here. Before you apply the Joint-It Grout Haze Remover, just make sure you've got good protective disposable gloves on. You may also read on the packaging that the Joint-It Grout Haze Remover 1 litre covers up to 4 to 5 square metres. Now that's for a different application, that's if you've got a haze. That's not the case here. You may also read on the packaging not to put the Joint-It Grout Haze Remover in contact with the joint. That's for a different application. In this case, we're putting the product directly onto the joint. So let's go ahead and show you how to apply the Joint-It Grout Haze Remover. Remove the lid off the bottle, put some of the product on the sponge like that, and you can come down again to the joint. You can see how white it is, and it's as simple as this. You just put the product along the joint like that. Maybe put on a small little bit more if necessary. You cannot overdose, so don't worry about putting on too much. Just rub it into the joint like that, and that's it. Leave the Joint-It Grout Haze Remover for between 30 to 45 minutes. It's now been 37 minutes since we applied the Joint-It Grout Haze Remover onto this area where it has turned white, and we are absolutely thrilled with the result. As you can see, the Joint-It Porcelain Epoxy Grout is now back to its original colour, but we are not finished. We do recommend that you get a towel or a cloth that has a good grip on it and rub the joint like that extremely well. And we are very, very happy with that. You can see here there's some whitening. That's just the Joint-It Grout Haze Remover. Your patio may require a light power wash afterwards as well, just to remove all of the haze off the patio. But again, we are extremely delighted that the Joint-It Porcelain Epoxy Grout has returned to its original colour, and to a very quick DIY process. And if you require any further information, it is info@jointit.com. There's a range of phone numbers on the website as well. Please reach out for advice. Thank you.